In the stillness of the night, I hear you call. Every whisper echoes down these empty halls. The shadows dance with memories too bright to fade. Leaves fall gently from the branches of the life we made. But there's a fire within, though the cold winds blow. I'll find the truth in dreams where only we can go. I am hollow, but still alive and breathing. Carved deep with scars, yet my heart still believing. Holding on to flames, burning bright in the dark. Even in this void, I'll keep searching for a spark. Scarred and weary, this heart still beats alone. Each breath a testament to the love we've outgrown. Roots hold tighter, wrestling against the storm. Though the world feels hollow, somehow we stay warm. Letting go, but still I grasp your face.